Hi friends, it's Kayla. Today I am sharing a walkthrough of this mini album with you. I just recently finished it and you are going to have a tutorial for this album. I planned this album thinking on the 6x8 paper pads that I had. This is a collection from Simple Stories. I used the flea market collection. So here I added a few details on the cover. I just used some of the stickers, and this is probably was from the floral beads and chipboards and some of the tags that came with the cut aparts. So let's see. I also used seam binding for my to close my album. This is from my scrap cabin shop, and this is the color Dusty Pink. That's the one I used. I also use another one. I'll show you in a second. So in here, I added these tags. This tag came with the cut apart, and I cut two separate tags. I didn't. Okay, I cut two and I put them together. So this is a little bit stronger and can hold this page. And this one opens here, and then we can add photos in photos in here. And we have a couple of photo mats that also came with the cut aparts. And here we can add another photo. I still have some scraps that I am planning to add a few more photo mats maybe. In here I used these, let's see, I used this die from Pink Fresh Studio. This is the blanket stitched octagons. Is the one that I used here. And here I used the mint, yes, the mint seam binding from my scrap cabin shop. Okay. Here you can add more photos, and here probably I will add another photo mat in the back for photo in here. This one opens here, and we have more space for a photo in here, and another seam binding that I saw here. Then on this page we have this pocket, and in here I added a few photo mats. Also this one, and here this is white. We can add more photos in here. Okay, and then this is a sticker. These are some of the bits and pieces and the enamel dots. And this one opens here, and then this other page opens here. This is magnetized in here. Also this one. These are magnetized. And then we have another tag. Again, I stacked two tags together to make it a little bit stronger. And then we have more photo mats in here. This for journaling. And I think this is a folio. You are my fave. And then this photo mat. And of course, we can add more photos in here and in this other one. I really love this sticker. This was my favorite. And then we have this another photo mat in. You can add a photo in here, and once you add the photo, it won't move that easily. And then I added this belly band in here, and the and this from the floral beads. And then we have here more photos. I loved this chipboard. In here, I added three different papers. I just ripped the paper and I put them together, and then I sew these seam binding. And then this chipboard that came with the collection. And this one opens here. This is magnetized. And then This one opens here, and there is another magnet here, and then this other one, and there is magnet in here and another in here. Okay, so this is the album. You are going to see soon the tutorial. Oh, I forgot, here in the back I am planning to add this stamp that my sister gave me with my name. It says handmade by Kayla, so I'm planning to put it in here. I am still thinking if I'm gonna do it or not, but I loved it. So the tutorial will be coming soon, so stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. This album is very easy to make. You can use your 6x8 paper pads, and I also used a few scraps of 12x12 paper I had on hand. You can definitely make it work with whatever scraps you have available. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you soon. Bye!